Okay, let's continue now with the practice problem number 8. Calculate the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus ellipsis. So we're given A1 is 3, R is 2, N is 8. So required S8. So using the formula, Sn is equals to A1 times R raised to N minus 1 over R minus 1. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 765. Number 9. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of a geometric series when A1 is 4 and R is 0.05. Point 5. Given A1 is 4, R is 1 half, 0.5 is 1 half, N is 10. So required S10. So substituting in our formula, Sn is equals to N times 1 minus R raised to N over 1 minus R. The final answer is 7.9922. Okay, next, number 10. Determine whether the infinite geometric series 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27 plus ellipsis converges or diverges. If it converges, state its sum. So given A1 is 1/3, R is 1/3. Required converges or diverges. If convergent, take the sum. Since the absolute value of R, which is 1/3, is less than 1, it is convergent. And the formula will be S infinity is equals to A1 over 1 minus R. And the convergent sum is equal to 1 half. The MCQ for Lesson 19, Understanding the Difference between Sequences and Series. Number 1. A sequence is best defined as A. The sum of a list of numbers. B. An ordered list of numbers that follow a specific pattern. Letter C. A random arrangement of numbers. D. The process of adding numbers repeatedly. Number 2. Which of the following is a finite sequence? A. 2, 4, 6, 8. Letter B. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. C. 10, 20, 30, 40. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so, and then you have up to infinity. And then number 3, the sum of the terms of a sequence is called A. Series, B. Sequence, C. Pattern, D. Term. Number 4, what's the main difference between a sequence and a series? Letter A, sequence is addition, series is multiplication. Letter B, sequence is a pattern of terms, series is the sum of those terms. Letter C, sequence is a formula, series has no formula. Letter D, sequence is infinite, series is always finite. Number 5, the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 is an example of A. Geometric sequence, B. Arithmetic sequence, C. Fibonacci sequence, D. Infinite series. Number 6, the series 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 is an example of A. Geometric series, B. Arithmetic series, C. Harmonic series, D. Infinite series. Number 7. Which of the following is an infinite series? Number 1. You have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. B. 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus asterisk. C. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. D. 100 plus 200 plus 300. Number 8. What do we call each number in a sequence? A. Series, B. Pattern, C. Term, D. Sum. Number 9. Which of the following best describes a geometric series? A. Sum of the terms that increases by addition. Sum of the terms where each is obtained by multiplying the previous by a constant. C. A sum of odd numbers only. D. A pattern with no ratio. Number 10. If the nth term of a sequence is given by an is equals to 2n, what kind of sequence is it? We have arithmetic sequence, B, geometric sequence, C, finite series, D, random sequence. The answer key for lesson number 19, please proceed to lesson number 20. And then the answer key for lesson 18, solving problems involving arithmetic and geometric sequences, is as follows. From 1 to 10, from number 11 to 20, and that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in the next lesson. Thank you, everyone.